Good afternoon, students. Standard 11, Supplementary, Lesson number 3, Ranga's Marriage. This lesson is written by Masti Venkatesan Iyer. Ranga, the protagonist of this character, of this story, accountant's sons. Actually, he was son of accountant in that particular village. Is one of the rare breed among the village. In this village, nobody is in higher position as Ranga was. Folk who has been seeking to pursue his study. For his study, he went out of the village, he went to the city and studied that. And he was the only boy in the village who went in another city for the study. When he returned to his village from the city of Bangalore, the crowds milled around his house to see whether he has changed or not. People gathered around his house to see that how he looked when he returned from the Bangalore. His ideas about marriage are now quite different. Alright. Actually, he wanted to break the customs, traditions of the village, and his ideas of marriage is something different. It's something out of his tradition, out of his customs. Which kind of ideas he possesses about the marriage? Let's see in this chapter. When you see the title, some of you may ask, Ranga's marriage? Why not? Ranganath marriage is in this village, marriage word is highly used there. Why should not we use that Vivaha, Vijaya, Ranganath Vijaya? Well, in the very beginning of the chapter, writer wants to clarify that why he put this title, why he put the title as a marriage. Why should not he use the Vivaha, Vijaya or Kanyana? Well, yes, I know I could have used some other mouth feeling. One of like Jagannath Vijaya or Girija Kalyana. But then, this is not about Jagannath's victory or Girija's wedding. It's about our Ranga's marriage. Its awareness is that. It's a feeling of someone own is there in this title. That's why the writer put the title in this story. It's about our own Ranga's marriage and hence no fancy title. How's hell is our village? You must have heard of it. Ever you heard about our village? No. What a pity. But it is not your fault. There is no mention of it in any geography book. Those sahibs in England, writing in English, probably do not know that such a place exists. A person who knows English, who don't know about our places, who don't know about our area in which we live. Geographical book, those sahibs in English writing in English probably do not know much a place exists. And so, make no mention of it. Our own people to forget about it. You know how it is. They are like folk in our village. The people is compared with the folk. As you know that how the folk run, how the folk walk. They have no their understanding. They just walk on the when the other ship went down. It's the same way our villagers are like the folk. If one doing the things, the another follow them. One ship walks into a pit, the rest blindly follow it. When both the sahibs in England on our own geographers have not referred to it, you cannot accept the poor cartographer to remember to put it on the map. Can you? No, we cannot put the person on the map. And so there is not shadow of our village on any map, and that's why there is no shadow of map, or there is no shadow of in the map of our village. It means our village is not indicated into any map of our state, our district, or any other our country's map. Sorry, I started somewhere and then I went off in another direction. I started with the title of that, why should I give that title, and then I go into another talking of that, why should our village is not in the map. Now I want to change my direction. If the state of Mysore is to Prabhavarsa, what Bharatvarsa, what sweet Karimbabu is the festival day. Then Hasahel is to Mysore state. What the feeling is to Karimbabu. What I have said is absolutely true. Believe me, I will not object to your questioning it, but I will stick to my opinion. I am not the only one who speaks brilliantly in Hosha. We have a doctor in our place. His name is Gundabhata. It means the name of the doctor is Gundabhata. But he agrees with me. He has been to quite few places. No, not England. Few places it means not out of country, but in our state only. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says, no, Ananya. I have left that to you. No, I don't went there, but I left that for you. You can go there. Running around like a flea pestered dog is not for me. I have seen a few places in my time. Though, as a matter of fact, he has seen many. Actually, he has visited many places. Actually, but he pretended like that he didn't go anywhere. He just stayed there. We have some mango tree in our village. Come visit us, and I will give you a raw mango. From one of them. Do not eat it. Don't eat the raw mango. Just take a bite because it was so khatta. The soreness is sure to go straight to your Brahmandara. I once took one such fruit home and chutney was made out of it. The mangoes are so sure that we cannot eat it directly. So we made chutney of it, and then we can eat that raw mango of our Bagichat and our village. All of us ate it. The cough was suffered from after that. It was when I went for the cough medicine. Then the doctor told me about the special quality of the fruit. I don't know the special quality of that fruit, but after eating chutney so much, there was cough in my neck, in my throat, and then I visited the doctor. At that time, the doctor explained me that what is the cough and why, what is the quality of that fruit, why the fruit should eat or not. Then just as the mango is special, so everything else around our village, we have creeper growing into ever so fine water of the village pond. Its flowers are a feast to behold. Get 2 leaves from the creeper when you go to the pond from the bath. When you went to the lake to pond for a bath in a village, it is very common to get a bath from the pond or lake. At that time, take 2 leaves of that particular plant. And you will not have to worry about not having leaves on which to serve the afternoon meal. You will say, I am happy. It is always like that when the subject of our village comes up. But enough. If anyone of you would like to visit us, drop me a line. I will let you know where the Hosahel side is and things are like here. The best way of getting to know the place is to visit. Don't you agree? You You cannot see the place in the map, but you have to visit to place our place, our village. What am I going to tell you is something that happened 10 years ago. We did not have many people who knew English. Then our village account was the first person in the whole village who knew English. Had enough courage to send his son to Bangalore at that time to study. It is different now. It is very different that a person went into another city for a study, for a earning. But at that time, it was very different that a person went for a study in a different city. There are many who knew English. During the holidays, you come across them on every street, talking in English. Those days, we did not have speaking English, nor did we bring in English words while talking. In Canada, what has happened is disgraceful, believe me. Whatever happened after to speaking the Kannada, it was disgraceful. The other day, I was in Ramarau's house when they bought a bundle of firewood. Ramarau's son came out to pay for it. He asked the woman, "How much should I give you? 4 pieces? It means 4 paisa." She said. The boy told her that did not have any change and asked her to come to next morning. "I haven't changed, that's why I come to next morning to take your amount back." The poor woman did not understand the English word change and went away muttering to herself. I too did not know. Later, when I went to Ranga's house and asked him, I understood what is meant. It was just a difference of language. The woman who did not know English, the Ranga, speaking English, and there was a misunderstanding between them because of the language. This priceless community, the English language, was not so widespread in our village a decade ago. Decade it means 10 years. That was why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. People rushed to his doorstep announcing, "The account's son has come." The boy who had gone to Bangalore for his studies is here. It is. And come to Ranga is here. Let's go and have a look. Attracted by the crowd, I too went into the stood of courtyard and asked, why have all these people come? Why are the people gathered here? There is no performing monkey here. Monkey is not performing today. So why the people are gathered here? It was my question at that time. A boy or a fellow without any brain said, loud enough for everyone to hear, "What are you doing here then?" A youngster, immature and without any manner, thinking that all these things were now of past, he kept quiet. Seeing so many people there, Ranga came out with a smile on his face. Had we all gone inside, the place would have turned into what people call the Black Hall in Calcutta. Thank God it did not. Everyone was surprised to see that Ranga was the same as he had been 6 months ago. It means there is no change in Ranga's behavior, in his personality after going to Bangalore. When he had first left the village, an old lady who was near him ran her hand over his chest, looked into his eyes and said, "The Janivara is still there." It means the Ranga is still there. He hasn't closed his caste. She went away soon after that. Ranga laughed. When they realized that Ranga still had the same hands, legs, eyes, nose, there is no difference in his skin tone also. The crowd melted away like a lump of sugar in a child's mouth. I continued to stand there. After everyone had gone, I asked, "How are you, Ranga? Is everything well with you?" It was only then that Ranga's noticed me. He came near me and did a namaskar respectfully, saying, I am all right with your blessings. I must draw your attention to this aspect of Ranga's character. He knew when it would be his advantage to take some money and rightly establish the people's worth. As for his namaskar to me, he did not do it like any present boy, with his head up towards the sun, standing stiff like a pole without joints, jerking his body as if it was either a worm or a walking stick. Nor did he merely fold his hand, he bent low to touch my feet. May you get banished. I blessed him. After exchanging a few pleasantries, I left. What will happen with Ranga, we will see into our next video.